Okay, so today you're going to be plotting the ionization energy on the second graph that is in your lab. So I just want to bring up the table of data and just show you what you're going to be plotting. So I'm going to highlight the information you should be focusing on in your table. So again, the key at the top mentions the ionization energy, and this is what you're going to be looking at in each box. You're only plotting the elements 1 through 20. That means lithium through calcium. You notice once again there will be some gaps in your graph. So when you get to those points, you're going to plot points on either side of your gap and connect those points on either side of your gap. So you notice here we have lithium with an ionization energy, which is an electron volts of 5.4, all the way up to calcium with an ionization energy of 6 electron volts. So let's look at the graph. And here you notice you're doing this graph, this is part 3. You're plotting the ionization energy on the y-axis. So make sure you label your y-axis, including your units. And then you have the atomic number on your x-axis. So with your y-axis, you want to make sure that you look at the lower part of your range and the upper part of your range and try to use as much space as possible. So this way you can clearly see what trend that you should be seeing and more easily be able to answer the question. So I will take points off if you are not maximizing your space. When you're done plotting the data, make sure you connect the points. It's going to look kind of jagged, as you saw with the radius, so don't be surprised by that. And then what you want to do is when you do not want to connect the points on either end to 0, for example. So you just want to connect the points starting with what you have at 3 all the way up to what you have at 22. So that's it. And email me if you have any questions.